Yeah, thanks to you, to Andrew E. Clacknan, Denmark, and Elmo Magalona, and Juan de la Cruz, and Ray Cabango, right, yo, Sally Jen Manolin, and Kyla I. Yeah, Arken Magalona, Ichiro Espiritu, Porty, Espiritu, yeah, and Clara Magalona, and of course, syempre, Galam, yeah, right? Ang buhay ko 2025, right? Since was I born in my hometown, many of us had let you know that what I did was right for myself, for my family, in for my fellow Filipino, my countrymen. Wherever the waves of the sea take me, you will remain in my heart, mine. I have no others desire, I want to know that my fellow Filipino, that next one is to, and the third one is to expand the knowledge about forgiveness. No matter what your fellow human has, down to you. If that is the case, I will also be forgiven. For my sins, nothing will be close from attribute to tolerant.
Magulang ko'y ginawa na ang lahat ng paraan upang mahiwalay sa aking natutunan. Subalit iniwan ko ang ibinigay na karangyaan. Kung ano ang dahilan, ako lang ang nakakaalam.
There are many of us, even you who love music, who have their own whatever the theme of the song that will please you. As before, I put up my own song on it. You don't like music like people like me. There's nothing wrong with the asking fellow Filipino question that the song be confused. But what's happened to me? You that musician, how much do you love your fellow musician? Are we the same as those who make songs? How much do we love our songs, our family, neighbors, and so those music?
Kaya ngayon ako'y narito upang ipaalam, lagi ako nagkamali sa aking daan. Gantimpala'y di ko hangad na makamtan, kundi ang malamang tama
Ang aking ginawa, I don't know when to wonder. I am the same way, I know this is my life and not anyone else. Where the song I made for my fellow Filipino will take me. Maybe there are not more people who just use music for their own benefit. After a while, I realized that if you laugh, music is not just a part of lives, it's also part of our daily activities. How important is the music we have to you? I should be surprised to know that I did the right thing for my fellow Filipinos. Whatever you don't know, that find out, and you might not believe what will happen to me.
musika ang buhay na aking tinataglay. Ito rin ang dahilan kung ba't ako naglalakbay.
Check it, Blara, Melba, Magalona, Spotify, Donggalo, Records.com for Filipino Puti,
Musika ang buhay na aking tinataglay.
Indigo Pilipinas, Mawa,
Rin ang dahilan kung ba't ako naglalakbay.
AranetaPlatform.com. Ang buhay ko by Asin Right, together with Check It, yo. Check It rap song, yeah, 2025, yeah, right.
Get like this every time.